Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube tech channel. My topic name: What is sound intensity level? Intensity level. Hope so. The topic is started. The human ear responds to the intensity ranging from 10 की power minus 12 W m की power minus 2 2 more than 1 Wm minus 2, which is loud enough to be painful. Because the range so wide, intensities are scaled by factors of 10. The barely of audible and the fantastic intensity of sound 10 की power minus 12 Wm की power minus 2 is taken as reference intensity called zero bell, a unit named after Alexander Graham Bell. The loudness of a sound depends not only on the intensity of sound but also on the physical conditions of the air. The human ear is more sensitive to some frequencies than the others. The loudness of a sound is directly proportional to the logarithm of intensity L inversely proportional log 1. L is equal K log 1. Where K is the constant of proportionality, let L not be the loudness of the faintest audible sound of intensity I note and L be the loudness unknown sound of intensity I. Then by equation we can write L naught is equal K log I naught. Separating equation from equation 11.1 we get a sound wave with the frequency of 3500 Hz and an intensity of 80 dB sound about twice as loud to a sound of 125 Hz and 80 dB. It is because our ears are more sensitive to the 3500 Hz sound than to be 125 Hz. Therefore, intensity by itself does not mean loudness. Loudness is how our ears detect and our brain perceives the intensity of sound wave. Frequency of tuning fork depends on the mass of the prons. The greater the mass, the lower of frequency of vibration, which means to lower pitch, which lowers to pitch. Equation L minus L naught is equal K log 1 naught is equal K log 1 bata 1 naught. This difference L minus L naught between the loudness L of an unknown sound and the loudness L naught is called the intensity level of the unknown sound. Therefore, the intensity level of an unknown sound is given by intensity level is equal K log 1 bata 1 naught. The value of K depends not only on the units I and I naught but also on the unit of intensity level. If intensity I of any unknown sound is 10 times greater than the intensity I note of the faintest audible sound, I is equal thus I note and the intensity level of such a sound is taken as unit called well the value of K becomes I. Therefore, using K is equal 1 becomes intensity level is equal log की power 1 bata 1 naught. Bell is a very large unit of intensity level of a sound. Generally, a small unit called the decibel is used. Decibel is abbreviated as it must. Hope so. Your topic is finished. Inshallah, next topic coming soon. This channel like सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन लाजमन। इसी से आपसे इजाज़त मांगे और इसी से ही आपको कहेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।